Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I am so excited. This month I'm going to be guest designing over at My Creative Scrapbook. So this is the July kit. This is the main kit. They have a few different ones. I will have links down below to their blog, and be sure to check it out and their store, the different kits that they offer. They have one that's like an album kit, so if you love making little mini albums or things like that, you could check it out. And there's one that has a really vintage, just a romantic type, lots of flowers and doilies and things like that. So a lot of different kinds of kits, so be sure to check those out. So like I said, this is July's main kit, and I thought I would just do a little quick share with you as to what is in it, so you could kind of check out what their kit is like each month. So if you follow me on my blog, you know that my passion is pretty patterned paper and lots of embellishment. And as you can see, there's both of those things in this kit. So I'm going to have a lot of fun this month creating with this. So let's go through. I'm going to show you the papers real quick. So the bulk of this kit is from Echo Park, the Good Day Sunshine. So there's about 12 patterned papers, and then there's a couple from Simple Stories, and then lots of different embellishments that are summer, so you can scrap all kinds of things. So this first paper is called Lemonade Stand, and it has the lemons and cherries on it. The back side is lemonade stands. This paper's Happy Camper, has a green kind of floral type print to it. The back side are those fun campers that are such the rage right now. So you can see I have the B-sides up because I am pretty much a B-side scrapper. So this page is called Sunny Day, has this beautiful little small print floral. The back side is this kind of semi-realistic sky print. Sweet Treat, which is a two-toned pink circle, and the back side has all of these kind of sweet treats. Ice cream, popsicle sticks. This one is the 4x4 journaling cards. I love this side with the pinwheels, but it's also a quilt pattern. So I have a lot of different ideas in mind for that paper. And of course the back side are 3x4s. Actually, 4x4. 4x4 cards. Yeah, I was like, that's not a 3x4. Don't use a lot of cut apart cards or you know, like Project Life cards in my scrapbooking, but I love to fussy cut the images out and use them for embellishments. Or if they're like this, I like using them for journaling spots. This paper here is called Summer Picnic, has this red gingham large print, and the back side's picnic baskets and silverware and watermelon. This one, I love the pinwheels, and I have an idea for this one too. I think I'm going to go crazy and fussy cut some of these. They're kind of small, we'll see, but I have an idea. This one's called Border Strips because it's got all these fun border strips. Now, I love papers like this because I love to cut them apart. You get so much bang for your buck on papers like that. This one's called Summertime, has the beautiful brush script lettering with all kinds of summer words and all kinds of summer images on the back. This one's a two-toned blue floral. This is gorgeous, and this one's Little Red Wagon because the front side of it has all of these fun red wagons on it. And this one, the watermelon prints, 4x6 journaling cards. So again, these would be fun. I'd really like to fussy cut that out, and that would be pretty as a journaling spot too. These are also fun if you do a like grid design, to use these as your titles. This one is a blue plaid print. This one's called Festive Floral, and this is the one that I will probably be using. This is gorgeous, and this would be fun to fussy cut. It is a little bit intricate here, but you could just go around it loosely, but love the colors in this and love the design. I am a sucker for floral paper. And I always need a good stripe, and this one has all of the different colors in the stripe, and this one is the 3x4 cut apart. So again, these are fun to use as titles, journaling spot, or that one I would definitely fussy cut out, so that's fun. Then we have a couple of pages from Simple Stories Travel Notes. So again, this is all about summer travel if you're going on vacation. Love simple stories. I love that with the compass. Has a great green design on the back. And then we have the 3x4 cut aparts. Again, those would be great fussy cut. And that heart. So I definitely have some ideas for several pieces of that. And then it also has this great stripe on the back. So you could use that as a border print, how I normally do with stripes, or cutting these strips apart as a strip or a little stripe. So that's a look at the pattern paper again. Let's get all these out of the way. Then the embellishments. So from the Good Day Sunshines, the 12x12 sticker sheet. Love these because you always get so many different options for embellishments. That's cute. I love the little camper in this. I just love these florals in this collection. Okay, so we have that, and then the 2 chipboard sticker sheets from the Good Day Sunshine collection. So many different great summer icons in here, but I can just see so many different photos that I have that could work and pulling out different things. Okay, so I'm going to move those away because sometimes that packaging really messes up my lighting. There's some red gingham ribbon, which definitely screams picnics and summer. A package of enamel dots. This is from Echo Park Go See Explore, but you can tell the colors match well with that. Then we have decorative brads from Cartabella Beach Day. So again, a fun summer theme, but also just lots of different colors that will match well with the collection. And a stamp set. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to try to stretch myself and stamp a title on one of my pages because I love the script, the little font in this stamp set. So I'm going to try. We'll see if I get it done or not. But that is a quick look at their main kit. So be sure to check out My Creative Scrapbook and all the other kits that they have available. And they have a gallery where their design team, all of their projects are uploaded there, so be sure to check those out. You get lots and lots of inspiration there. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that. Be sure to come back. I will have lots of layouts to create and share with you here on the YouTube channel and over on their blog as well. Be watching for those this month, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.